Hey, hello everyone. So again, in this session, we have come up with a new topic. As you know that we are talking about Azure tutorial series. So in this session, we are going to talk about blob storage part 2. And in the last session, you must have watched that session about I have talked about blob storage, how blob storage works, what is blob storage, and what are the types of blob storage, and also I have talked about access tiers. So before going through this video, I would request to all of you, and I would recommend to all of you, please watch that previous video, and then if you see this video, then definitely you will understand the actual purpose of this video. All right. So in this video, we are going to talk about blob storage, that how you can work with blob storage using .NET Core API. Okay. So let's start. All right. So see, in the previous video, we have already seen that we had created this storage account, and in the storage account, we had created one container. Let me open it. All right. So yeah, so see, this container was created by me, container 101. Let me open it. Okay, so you see now this container is empty. All right. So today what we are going to do, we are going to create a project, web project. In this project, we will be deploying one image from our .NET Core API, and that image will be deployed on this container using our .NET Core API, right? So okay, so yeah, you see, I have already created a project named as Blob Storage Practical, and also I have created one view. Let me let me take you to that view also. It's a simple view. I haven't added much HTML helper in this because our actual purpose is to work with uploading image to the container. That is why I haven't added any more tags in it. So yeah, so you can see that I have added one form, and this is the file tag. I have added one file tag. So using this form, we will be uploading one image from our local system, and when we will submit this form, then that image will be deployed on our container, in this container. All right. Okay, so in order to save our time, I have already prepared a code which I have kept here. So let me okay, so there are some prerequisites before working with blob storage. There are some prerequisites, let me tell you. First of all, you need to install two NuGet packages. Let me tell you which packages are there. Okay, so you can go to the manage package console, and here, yes, this package you need to install, Azure Storage .blobs, right? So this NuGet package you need to install in order to work with blob storage. Once you are done with this installation, then you are ready to go. All right, now let me copy paste my code. Don't worry, I will explain you how does this code work. I don't want to keep this video long, that's why I've already prepared this code, so I can explain you this code in a better way, and we can also keep our video short. All right, now let me explain you. what is this code about. All right, so this is our view, create profile. Okay, you can jump to the view. I have already explained you that what is this view about. In this view we have used this form tag, right? And in this form tag we have our controller, we have our action, and then we have used one div here, div section. In this div section we have the input file tag. Okay, so this file tag is basically responsible for showing the file control over our my profile dashboard. Okay, all right, so see now here I have created one upload file, http post upload file method. In this method I have created one view model, profile VM, right? In this I have created one property, my file, which is, and data type its data type belongs to iForm file. Okay, so yeah, so in this upload file method there is one generate file name method. When we jump to this method, so here I haven't done anything in this method, just I'm returning the file name from here. So when you submit the form, so the control will jump to this upload file method, and from this upload file method we have called this generate file name method, and we have passed two parameters, the file name, and both the parameters belong to the file name. And this method was basically created for generating the file name. This file name is basically going to be represent, this file is basic, I mean this file name is going to represent our image name. I will show you after some time, once we are done with our deployment. Okay, so see, this is upload file method. Here we have created this file name, and below here, yeah, so see, this is a blob container client. All right, and in this blob container client you need to create a container object. In this container object, what you need to pass, first the connection string, second one the container name. All right, so where will you get this connection string? Just a minute, I have created two objects, blob connection string and container name. So where will you get this connection string? Okay, so you see I have already created this container. In this container, sorry, in this storage account, you will see the access keys, right? When you click on this access keys, so you see there are many fields, like the key one, key, connection string. So we need this connection string in our code. So you just have to copy this connection string, go to your editor and just pass here. Oh, sorry, think, okay, I have copied. All right, so this is your connection string. The next one is container name. So you just need to pass your container name. So go to the containers, and our container name is container 101. So you just go inside this container, just copy the container name from here. Make sure you have to pass the correct parameters from your portal. All right, so we are ready with our connection string and container name, so we can pass the connection string parameter here and the container name. All right, so now we have passed two parameters, one is connection string, second one is the container name. So our container object is ready. Now we need to create the blob client object. Okay, so in order to create a blob client object, we have to use this blob client syntax. Okay, so this is the syntax to create the blob client object, and this is the container what we have created, and get blob client method needs to be called. And in this method you have to put this file name as a parameter, and then you need to right now, once you are done with your blob client object, now what you will do, firstly from the file you need to access the data. I mean, you need to convert your file in the stream, and then you have to upload your stream data to your blob container, and from here we are returning the URL for the later uses. Because what happens that as we know, whenever we work with any profile images or any kind of image when you deploy on the storage account, so what happens later on in your project, if you require that image, so you need the image URL, right? So that image URL you can save somewhere, either in the database or anywhere in the file, and later on whenever you require that image again, if you have to access that image, then using that URL you can access that image. So this is for our purpose. All right, so we are done with our code. Okay, now let me run this code. Let's see how it works. This is a very basic and simple code, that how you can deploy your image from your local system to your blob container, right? It's a very basic code. You can copy this code. I will also give you this code in the video description, or I will share the get URL, right? So you can go to this code using the using my get URL link. So I will share that link with you. It will take few seconds. Let it run. So guys, throughout our Azure tutorial series, whenever you require any sort of help, whenever you need, and whenever you have any query, any doubt, just let me know in comment section. Because yes, we all are dedicatedly working with our project, and whenever we practically work, at that time we face a lot of runtime issues. It may happen that you know it might run at my end, but sometimes it it may cause at your end. So until unless you won't write your suggestion, your comments, your query in the comment section, i will not I will not get to know about your query. So please let me know in the comment section so I can help you. Let me put the debugger here. Okay, so let's jump to the upload image page. Okay, so you see I have created this upload file to blob storage page. Here we have this file tag and one upload file button. So let me choose an image file. Okay, so this is the demo image I have selected, and I've clicked on this upload file button. Due to some technical issue, actually there is some lag. It's processing it a bit slow today. I don't know why it's happening. Okay, so you see our control has come to this upload file function. Okay, so here we have received the file name. So you see this is our file name, demo image.jpg. Okay, now we iterate to the next line. Here it is creating the blob container object, and the next line it will create the blob client object, and now it is converting our blob files to the stream, and here it will upload the image to the container. It is taking some time. All right, so now our image has uploaded to the blob container. Let's go to our let's go to the portal. All right, so see here, this is our container. Let's jump to the container. Okay, so this is our container 101. Initially it was empty. Now let's see. All right, so see, now there is one image, demo image.jpg, right? The same name I had showed, the same name I had shown you at the time of debugging, right? The same image name was displaying in the code at the time of debugging the code, right? So you can edit this image. Either you can delete this image, or if you want to view this image, so you can click on this view and edit. So yes, so this is the image, right? All right, so yeah, in this way you can upload any image and you can use in this your project. So yes, so I hope you have understood how we can work with our blob storage using .NET Core API, .NET Core code, right? So I hope you have understood, and If any query you have, any difficulty you have while working with any Azure services, whatever I have already taught you, or whatever I am teaching you in this tutorial series, please do let me know in the comment section. I would be very happy to help you and to assist you, and it will also help me in learning my knowledge. And if I have missed anything, please do let me know in the comment section, so later on I will help you. Okay, all right. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. I think it's enough for today, and I hope you have liked this video. So just one request I would like to keep in front of you, that if you like this video, please give your comment, and also like this video, and click I mean just subscribe my video and click on this bell icon, because whenever I create any new video, you will get the notification. So please subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.